Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for July 31st to August 12th. The pattern for July 31st to August 4th is forecast to look like this. We still have a strong ridge over the southwest. We also have a ridge here over the western Atlantic, and we have a trough in between. And we'll have this trough will be centered over the Mississippi and Ohio valleys. During this period, expect energy lifting northeast and an amplified trough aloft over the Mississippi Valley is forecast to weaken, as well as the western ridge late in the week. The weakening of the flow will lead to a flow more in line with late summer. Convective activity and heavy rain potential is possible for parts of the east. A frontal boundary will have trouble moving eastward due to the strong ridge over the western Atlantic. A moist flow around the western Atlantic high will likely interact with the stalled boundary and maintain the possibility of significant rainfall over parts of the southeast and the mid-Atlantic. Convective rain is also forecast from the northern plains to the Great Lakes. Diurnal activity is forecast to continue over the Four Corners, and cooler conditions are forecast for the northwest. The interior west will remain warm with temperatures of 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Most of the central and the southeast U.S. will experience well below normal temperatures due to clouds and precipitation. August 3rd to the 7th, that's what we forecast. The westerlies are forecast to remain across the north, and the western ridge is forecast to build westward. As you can see right here, this is the 3rd. We're going to start here back, and we'll start seeing those ridge starting to build with above normal heights into the eastern U.S. So the models are good in agreement with this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting, is this the right map? Yep. Above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal, also above normal here, and below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, let me see which map. Oh, you see. Okay, this is the map. For precipitation, below normal precipitation is forecast for the northern Rockies. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for portions of the Four Corners and most of the area east of the Mississippi River. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to take a look at the period for August 8th to the 12th. And we're forecasting a de-amplification of the flow, and with the westerlies remaining to the north, but we still have our ridge here in the southwest of the Four Corners. We also have our western Atlantic ridge here. The trough should lift out, but there are some indications you can see here of a weak trough remaining across the Great Lakes and the northeast. So for this forecast period, for this forecast period, I am forecasting near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of up to 8 degrees above normal, and the highest anomalies would be in the west. And for precipitation, forecasting a below normal precipitation forecast for the northern Rockies and northern plains. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for portion of the Four Corners and most of the area east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 31st to August 12th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.